Here's the progress I've got so far. So I ground down the back end here underneath the bottom. Started plug welding and grinding down the plug welds. So this pan's pretty much in there. When this is all done, I'm going to flip the cab over and I'll weld it from the bottom and then seam seal top and bottom. But as you can see, it's I just have the lower cab mount in place, or clamped in place. I need to drill out that hole, and then got grind down a couple more tacks, and then that'll be ready to weld that cab mount in place. So from what I can gather is that cab mount needs to go in intact to the wall. Then this cab mount will get tacked to that cab mount, and then the firewall gets sandwiched between here and here. So my thought is the next thing I'll do is I'll pull the firewall out. I'll clean up the sides, spray weld through primer across all the areas, clean up the inside of this flange right here, and then spray weld primer on that, and then that'll be ready to go. So I do need to drill a couple of holes in the vertical cab support in order to spot weld it to the horizontal cab support. So I mean, it's come along, it's slow, it's kind of a pain in the butt, but it is what it is. So anyways, so far that's what I've got. With Jillian's help, we were able to put in the lower corner brace. So it's tacked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then all up here. There. Want to say hi, Jillian?
Hi.
Alright. So, still have to tack along the inside of here, but we were able to get most of it lined up and got the hole drilled. There's that cab mount bolt right there. We got another one here. Got it all lined up. Everything looks pretty good. So, like I said, I gotta clean off the inside of the flange for the firewall and then work on the other side.